105e leçon, 25th lesson, Douze histoires drôles. Histoire, it means stories. Remember, H in the beginning is always silent. OI is pronounced as UA. Histoire. Drôle, ES at the end is silent and it means funny. Douze histoires drôles, two funny stories. The adjectives in French, they always come after the noun. So funny is put after stories. Après une audition, remember Tion is pronounced as Sion. Un producteur dit à une chanteuse. CH is always pronounced as sh. An is always pronounced as on. Chanteuse, meaning singer. Remember that this word is used for a female singer. After an audition, a producer says to a singer, dit a. Over here the original verb used is dire, which means to say. When we use it with the preposition a, it means to say to. Mademoiselle, votre chanson est comme l'épée de Charlemagne. Mademoiselle means miss. Votre, we have seen this before, it is a possessive adjective meaning your. Chanson, ch is pronounced as sh. It means song. Comme has two meanings, as or like. Over here it means like. L'épée, both the e's have accent aigu on top, so they are pronounced as a. L'épée. L apostrophe is used because épée, it means a sword. It begins with a vowel e. And that is why we use L apostrophe to say the. De Charlemagne. The means of. R in the middle is pronounced as H. GN is always pronounced as near. Charlemagne. Miss, your song is like the sword of Charlemagne. Toute fière, all proud. Toute fière, all proud. La fille dit. Fille has two meanings. One is daughter and the other is a girl. Dit, again the same verb is used, dire, to say. Ah bon, usually the word bon, it means good. But over here it is just an expression, ah bon, oh really. Comment ça? Ça means that. Comment is a question word meaning what or how. Comment ça? How is that? So all proud, the girl says, oh really? How is that? Eh bien, bien, remember I-E-N at the end of a word is pronounced as bien. Bien together it means well. Elle est longue, plate et mortelle. It is long, flat and deadly. R in the middle of mortel is pronounced as H. Over here you must be wondering why L is used, because L it means she. But over here we are referring to song. And the word song, it is feminine. That is why we say she is. So we are referring to the song. We want to say it is, but for that, neutral gender, it doesn't exist in French. So we have to use she, referring to the song. Deux alpinistes sont bloqués dans une tempête de neige. Over here there is a liaison between deux and alpiniste, so the X at the end is also pronounced. Deux alpinistes. And we have bloqué. Usually ES at the end is silent, but E has an accent on top, so we pronounce it as A. Bloqué, it means blocked. And this word dans means in. Tempête, it means storm. And neige, it means snow. Tempête de neige, a storm of snow. So in English we just say snowstorm. Two alpinists are blocked in a snowstorm. Après 12 heures. Earlier we saw après, it means after. So after 12 hours. 12 heures. Or it means hours. It is also used with timing to say o'clock. Il voit arriver un Saint-Bernard. Over here the original verb used is voir, which means to see. And with ILS ill, we know with the they form, the ending is ENT. Il voit, they see, arriving à sa berne. Avec un tonneau de cognac autour du cou. Avec, it means with. Tonneau, it means a barrel. Remember the pronunciation is tonneau. Cognac, GN, above we saw in Charlemagne that GN is pronounced as near. So this one is cognac. Cognac means a brandy. Utu, utu means around. The R at the end is silent. Ku means neck, pronounced as ku. With a barrel of brandy around the neck. Then we have note number 1. L'ami de Pierre, it means the friend of Peter. Now in English we just use this apostrophe form. We say Peter's friend. But this is not, there is no such apostrophe rule in French. So we just add this word de, which means of. Similarly, la voiture de ma femme means the car of my wife. In English I would say my wife's car. La photo de la maison, the photo of the house. On the next page, the translation is also given in case you want to read it once. And then on the same page, note number 3 is given. The word utu de, it means around. For example, j'ai une écharpe autour du cou. I have a scarf around my neck. Then on the next page 95, the lesson is continued. Regardez ça, dit un des hommes. Regardez, the original verb is er ending, which means look. Over here it is used as an imperative form, so ez is there at the end. Ça, it means that. Earlier we saw in como ça means that. Dit, same verb we saw earlier, dire, which means to say. Un means one. They means of the. There is a liaison, so the S is also pronounced des hommes. Homme, it is in plural, it means men. Look at that, says one of the men. Regardez ça, dit un des hommes. Voilà le meilleur ami de l'homme. Voilà means there or there is. Le meilleur, meilleur, it means best. Ami means friend, de means of, l'homme, over here it is singular, the man. There is the best friend of the man. Oui, the l'autre, again the, which means say. L'autre means the other. It can also mean another. Oui, it means yes. Et regardez le beau chien. Do you remember I-E-N is pronounced as ia, as we saw in bien. So chien, it means dog. Qui le porte? Porte means to carry. Remember, porter can also mean to wear, carry or to wear. Yes, says the other, and look at the beautiful dog that is carrying it. In the previous lesson, we saw that qui is used as a relative pronoun. We also saw that le, it is a direct object pronoun. Tout est bien qui finit bien. Tout, over here there is a liaison between tout and est, so it is tout est bien. Fini, the original verb is finir, to finish. All is well, that ends well. Again, qui is the relative pronoun, and right after that we have a verb. On the next page, the translation is also given in case you want to read it once.